Model, 2020 Peugeot Boxer DUCATO Relay Pro White HDI Spares OR Repairs Bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 116989. MOT, 20 September 2024. Engine, 2179 cc Blue HDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine has seized and parts have been stripped to back of the van. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.